flexing that little money, cause that boy ain't never had shit. Real cute in the face, but in bed, she ain't average. Used to land.
I already seen a couple with no plates, man. My boys gotta be sliders. You got a legit thing. Looking like Fast and Furious Part 11 out here, nigga. So what? This nigga's dumb as fuck. Alright, nigga. That GTR though. Ooh-wee. Yeah, fuck. That bitch said daddy.
What do you mean by that?
Yo, fam, you remember me from the tune shop? Remember me from the tune shop? The white G. Oh, yeah, you was getting tuned that day with me. Yeah. Hell yeah. Let me see some. Let me see some. I gotta see some. You gonna let a Mero do you like that? You gonna let a Mero do you like that? Come on, man. Come on, man.
You gonna embarrass me in front of my people on here?
Kador.